Hi, it's Phil here at Holstead Homestead. We've got the system working, as you might be able to hear in the background. Here, the Guardian system with preventing birds from entering our U-pick area. And directly across the street, I don't know if you can see the flocks of seagulls, but they are numerous up in the neighbor's cherries right across the street. Before there's even a bigger flock. I think they're further into the orchard at this point, but at least you can see the difference between seagulls not protected cherries protected by the Guardian system.